In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for issues in Jira using basic search, advanced filters, and JQL. If you've ever needed to find an older bug, track down a specific user story, or review open work across several boards, you know how time consuming it can be to click through endless menus. The good news is that Jira makes this much faster once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll log in, use the global search bar, move into the full issue search view, refine results with visual filters, switch to JQL for advanced searching, and then save that filter for later use. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira Cloud site or the standard Atlassian sign-in page. Log in using your normal account credentials. Once you're on the main Jira dashboard, look across the top of the screen for the global search bar in the header. This is your starting point for both quick searches and deeper issue discovery. If you already know the exact issue key or a few words from the issue summary, click into the search bar and type it in. For example, entering an issue key will take you directly to that ticket after you press enter. If you're searching more broadly, type a few descriptive keywords instead. As you type, Jira will show matching results in a dropdown, which can save you time before you even open the full search page. When you need more control, move to the bottom of that dropdown and select View All Issues. You can also use the keyboard shortcut that opens the Issue Navigator. This takes you into Jira's full search workspace, where you can filter and sort results much more precisely. By default, you'll see a visual filtering layout. Use the project filter to narrow results to one or more projects. Then adjust the status filter if you only want items in a certain state, such as in progress. You can also use the assignee filter to show only work assigned to you. As you make these changes, the issue list updates automatically, which makes it easy to confirm you're heading in the right direction. If you want even more precision, switch to JQL using the option in the upper right area of the search view. This replaces the visual filters with a command-style query box. You can then enter a query such as project equals a project key, status equals in progress, and assignee equals current user, followed by sorting by priority. After you run it, Jira returns a focused list based on those exact conditions. Once your results look right, save the filter so you can reuse it later. Click Save Filter, enter a short descriptive name, and save it. Before you finish, quickly review the issue list to make sure the project, assignee, and status details all appear correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.